Hey there, fellow students. I'm here today to share with you the top 5 study strategies that helped me achieve straight A's in school. Trust me, these tips will transform your studying game and make you the ultimate student. 1. Create a perfect study space that's both comfortable and conducive to learning. This will help you stay focused and motivated. 2. Make it a habit to study consistently, even if it's just for 10 to 20 minutes each day. This consistency will pay off in the long run. 3. Embrace the power of mind mapping as a study tool. It's an effective way to visualize information and make studying fun and engaging. 4. Invest in a digital library of flashcards, ebooks, and audio-based resources like Skillshare or Audible for on-the-go learning. 5. Finally, practice active recall by creating summaries of your notes or rewriting your class lectures after each class session. Trust me, it works wonders. Remember, good luck is when opportunity meets preparation, so get ready and start studying now. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more study tips and hacks. Happy studying!